Welcome to all the viewers. This is Dr. Bookworm back with a new video, and in this video we are going to explore a fully funded scholarship opportunity in Australia. Yes, I'm talking about the Australian Award Scholarship, which is one of the best scholarships available in Australia offered by the Australian government. So we will be discussing in detail the eligibility criteria, process of application, and other details of the scholarship program. So stay tuned till the end of the video if you are interested to apply for MS and PhD scholarships in Australia. So before starting the video, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, do hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you can receive regular updates regarding scholarships, fellowships, internships, and exchange programs abroad. So first of all, to see the details of the scholarship, we will just Google Australia Award Scholarship. So here comes the official website for the scholarship program. I will also share the link of this website in the video description, and you can access it from there. So on the home page of this Australian government scholarship program, which is offered by the Department of Foreign Affairs and Trade, you can see all the details about the Australian Award Scholarship, starting from the introduction, why the scholarship have been announced, benefits. With it is a fully funded scholarship, so it covers all expenses during your degree program, including your tuition fees, your health insurance, your travel expense, your accommodation, and all other expenses that are involved during your degree program. So here comes the award condition. Make sure that you imply by these conditions. If you are applying for the scholarship, you need to sign a bond that after the completion of your degree program, you need to return to your home country, and you need to stay out of Australia at least for 2 years before going back there. So if you are interested to apply for citizenship, then this scholarship is not for you. But if you want to acquire higher education from Australia, then this is definitely a worth it option for you. So how to apply? Here we have the details about how to apply for Australian Award Scholarship. We have the participating countries, opening and closing dates for each country, and participating institutions. So first of all, we'll have a look at the participating countries so that we can evaluate which countries are eligible to apply for the scholarship program. So here several countries are eligible to apply for this program. Among Asia, we have Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Cambodia, Indonesia, Maldives, Myanmar, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, and many other countries from the Pacific, Middle East, Africa, and other countries. So if you belong to one of these nationalities, you can definitely apply for the scholarship program for MS and PhD studies. So moving forward further towards the application dates for each of the country. So here we are talking about, so you can see all the application deadlines and opening dates for each of the country. So moving forward to Pakistan, we can see that the application is open from 1st of February 2023, and it will remain open till 1st of May 2023. So in order to get any details about the scholarship program, if you have any query, feel free to email them on this email ID, and they will definitely respond you accordingly. So for the rest of the nationalities, you can check out the dates. I will share the link in video description. So moving forward, we have the participating institutions which are eligible for Australia Award Scholarship. So there is a long list of Australian universities that allow you to apply for Australian Award Scholarship. So we have almost all the famous Australian universities in this list, including University of Queensland, University of Sydney, University of Western Australia, among several other universities. So you can check out the list here, and you can plan your studies accordingly by applying for the scholarship program. So now we'll move towards the process of application to apply for Australia Award Scholarship. So the process is quite simple. You just need to fill up the online application, upload all your documents which are required, and you can also apply by email if you are not comfortable filling up the online application, you can also request them to apply through email, and you just need to email them all the required documents, and your application will be considered. Here in the supporting documentation, we have the template for referee report. So this is the template for the reference letter that you need to provide in your scholarship application. So your referee will fill up all this information, and you will simply share this PDF and upload this PDF in the online application portal. So yes, I'm not going to make my own login here because it will take a lot of time. So to keep the video short, I'm sharing this user guide for all of you to fill up the online application. It is quite a user-friendly application, and yes, we have around 18 steps to complete in the online application. First of all, we have the personal details. So let us have a look one by one what we need to do to complete the application. First of all, here we have the eligibility to apply. So participating countries, your country should be in the list of the participating countries, and other eligibility requirements, you need to check out this document for that. Residing and being a citizen of or applying from a participating partner country, being a minimum of 18 years of age, not currently serving military personnel, not applying for a visa to live in Australia, as I have already told you that they have a condition that you need to return to your home country. So you should not have plans to stay after your degree completion in Australia. So Oasis is their actually online portal where you need to fill up your scholarship application. So first of all, you will go to the link. I will provide the link in video description, and if you are new to this portal, you will just click on register and register new account. Once you click on this, you will be required to fill up some of the information. You will fill up your information, and a confirmation email will be sent to your email address. From there you will get your login details, and then from that email login details you will simply log in, and then you can change your password as well. So you will enter your previous password and the new password, and it will be changed automatically. So then after creating your account, you will click on new application and create your new scholarship application. Then you will fill up first of all your personal details that involve your name, family name, and from where you belong, etc. Then you have the application checklist. So you are not required to fill up all this information at once. So you can save your progress and come back again, log in again, and continue from the place where you have left. So once you complete one of these modules, a check sign will be there, and for the modules that are unfilled or incomplete, there will be a cross sign, so you can check out how much portion of the application you have filled so far. So moving forward to completing an application, first of all you need to submit your personal details, then your contact details. Then you will need to provide your spouse details if it is applicable for you. If you're single, you will just click on single or unmarried. Then you will provide your children details if you have any. Then moving forward, you will provide your emergency contact details, previous scholarships if you have ever won a scholarship abroad or in your own country, you will need to provide the information here. Then after that you will provide the information about scholarship application. What other scholarships are you currently applying for? Have you previously applied for a DFAT, formerly AUS-8 scholarship, but were unsuccessful? So if you have ever applied for any other scholarship, you will fill up the details here. Proposed study program. Here you will propose the study program in which you are interested to pursue your higher studies. So if you're interested in master's program, you will mention it there, and if you are interested in the PhD program, you will mention that also. Then moving forward, you will fill up the information regarding your qualifications. Whatever degrees you have attained so far, you will provide the details of them. English language details. So you are required to appear for either IELTS, TOEFL or PT academic in order to apply for Australian Award Scholarship, and the minimum requirement for IELTS would be 6.5 overall. So that's a quite okay requirement, so you can obtain this score and definitely apply for the scholarship program. Here in the computer literacy, you will provide which skills you have regarding the use of computer, so which softwares you are good at using, and then you will apply the details of your current employment. If you are currently employed somewhere, you will provide the details. If you have complete your employment, you will provide your experience details here, previous employment and the previous employment section. Then moving forward to supporting statement, here you will write about how did you choose your proposed course and institution. So you need to propose your expected course as well as the institution in which you want to study. How will the proposed study contribute to your career? These questions are very important to answer and play a very valuable criteria in your selection, because whenever you write an essay for a scholarship, it is evaluated very keenly. And yes, this is the point where students are differentiated and shortlisted for further selection, so make sure that you answer these questions very well. Then you need to provide the details of your disability if you have any. Then professional memberships, if you hold any memberships related to any scientific society, volunteer activities, then sorry, not the volunteer activities, only the professional memberships that are related to your own degree program, will provide them here. Then in the communication section, you will provide the details about where did you come to know about the Australian Award Scholarship, so you can definitely write the name of our YouTube channel. Just kidding, you can just write social media or whatever you want to write. Then in the documentary evidence, you will upload all the documents that are required. So regarding the documents, you will need certified copies of your degree programs, IELTS or TOEFL or PT academic, all of them are acceptable. Statement from University of School that English is the language of instruction. Referee reports, you need to provide 2 referee reports for the scholarship program, so make sure you get good reference letters from your referees. The format is already given, I'll share the link and you can access and fill that accordingly. List of relevant publications if you have any. Curriculum vitae, make sure that your CV is in international format. The best CV can be created using Europass, so if you do not have an international format CV, you can create one freely. Other documents specified in the country profile, any other relevant documents in support of your application. So if you have any experiences, certifications, awards, anything, you can upload that as well. And finally, you will declare that the information provided by you is genuine, and you will submit your application. So after submission of your application, you will receive the response, or after getting shortlisted, you will receive the offer letter by August 2023. So this was all about the application of Australian Award Scholarship 2024 sessions. So if you have any questions or queries, feel free to comment down the video and share this video with your friends, and stay tuned. With that, this is Dr. Bookworm signing off. Thank you.